Welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to run the program in some IDE. Maybe as of now I am going to use the Eclipse. Okay, so you can use IntelliJ or NetBeans, whatever IDE is comfortable for you. If you know that, you can go ahead. If not, actually I just provide the description. In the description I provide the Eclipse URL, how to download and all the steps. You just follow that and install the Eclipse in your system. Okay, so after installed Eclipse, okay, basically, so you'll get the icon like this, okay, in your desktop. So double click this, okay, and you can give the workspace whatever you want, you can give it, and you can click on launch. Okay, so what is basically IDE is actually, so if you see our earlier last video, we basically writing the code in Notepad++, right? Then we are running the application using some console command prompt, right? So it is having multiple, what is that, and in the command prompt we are providing the Java C command, Java command, all the stuffs, right? So basically what it is giving some more task for you, right? So you are having you need two applications basically, like Notepad and as well as command prompt. Then again you need to type the what is that, actually you need to type the commands manually, right? You need to type it out, and the same time so if you are creating some class, actually you have to create the class, you have to follow the syntax, class name, open brace, close brace, everything you need to manually do it out, right? So when you are coming into some IDE, right, so you no need to follow that actually. Okay, so your IDE will take care of that actually. So if you want to create a class, you can you can tell that, okay, IDE, so I want the class, so this is the name I want. So IDE will take care of the following the syntax actually. That is the advantage of IDE. Okay, so let's, as of now in this video I'm just following in Eclipse. Okay, so I'll tell you a couple of shortcuts as well, so how to create and everything actually. So okay, so IDE is nothing but it's called as a integrated development environment. So multiple environment like Notepad, like command prompt, all the environment they integrated in the Eclipse itself. That is what we will call it as one of the IDE is Eclipse basically. Okay, so let me create a new project. Basically when we need to write some programs, right, before that we need to create a project. So I can go new Java project. If the Java project is not in this list actually, okay, so you can go for others. Okay, so there you just search it as Java, then you can find the list of it. So clicking this Java project here, and you can give the project name. Let me give the first project. Okay, so you can give whatever name you want. Okay, so click on next and finish. Okay, before that if you go back here, you can set if you want to use some other Java runtime environment, all the stuff you can give it out. Okay, by default if you are keeping as it is, it will be good actually, so nothing you need to change it out basically, right? So I can, this is the folder basically. Okay, this is the folder, it will get created. Okay, so let's give the finish. Module name, I don't want to create the module as of now. Okay, so now you are ready with that. So I can right click this and I can create a class. If we just give the class, okay, so these are the steps need to follow for the creating class. Okay, I'm just creating a class for tech bus blocks. Okay, so it will create a, if you want the public static environment, you can just click this checkbox and you can click finish. See, now it will do some magic for you, right? You just gave the input as tech bus blocks, that's all, right? But it is creating the main method and all the stuffs. Now you can directly write your business logic, whatever you want you can write. And also if I want to give the system.out.println, I can syso control space. If you give it out, actually it will provide lot of stuff, whatever is you want, like that actually. So you can select system.out.println, you can select this, right? So it is very easy for you, right? So this IDE will be, make sure if you are using IDE, it will helpful for this type of things. Okay, so I'm just giving welcome to tech bus blocks. Okay, that's all. Now how to run this program. Basically we return the code, right? So how to run this code? Right click this, go for run as Java application. That's all. See, you can see the output in the down. So this is the basically console. Okay, it is called as a console actually. Okay, so if you are using command prompt like that, right? You no need to open command prompt on anything, so the output will be show here itself. Okay, this is the beauty of IDE. Okay, so we are using Eclipse in further videos as well. Okay, hope you understood, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.